Today I'm gonna make the garlic and fresh herb goat cheese. Today we are in the Dida Creamery in Taichung. Ingredients, so you will need chives, quite difficult sometimes to find in Taiwan, so I found some spring onions. You need some parsley, some basil and a bit of thyme. And of course the garlic. So first of all we need to chop all the fresh herbs. Mix the fresh herbs all together. Gonna keep a bit on the side when we're gonna roll the cheese. So this one part will be to be mixed with the cheese himself. Another part will be all around. And then you need a bowl. So I had the 4 fresh herbs to the bowl. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. So in Taiwan people really love garlic. So yeah, put a good amount of garlic. And then I've taken this beautiful fresh goat cheese made by Henry, so from Dida Creamery. So you see how beautiful it is, made this morning. So you put it inside, and then after, start to mix it all together. Now I'm taking the clean film, and I'm gonna put on the top of the chopping board. Now I took the mix, and I'm gonna put it in the clean film. And then after, I'm gonna roll it. Then you have your log, which is rolled, and then you put in the chiller for a good hour. Now I take some walnuts, and I'm gonna crush the walnut. I had the fresh herbs. We mix all together. So after it's been chilled for an hour, I take it out. So up. And then after, you're gonna roll it to the crust. So this is the final dish, the garlic, fresh herb goat cheese from Dida Creamery. And now we're gonna test it with the owner, Brenda.
Don't mind if I do. Oh, look at that. You see that texture? Oh, wow. The wonderful thing about this cheese chef that it is actually locally made right here in Taichung, Taiwan. And we make it right upstairs. So when you hear the word chef, it's not just a fresh cheese made in France. And because it's very fresh, and because of the milk we use, I can't speak highly enough about this milk. Why? Because these goats, they actually eat garlic as part of their supplement. So it is a very happy coincidence that our friend Yohan here today optioned for part garlic, part nuts, and other herbs to be mixed in this wonderful dish.